Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the lesson Auli. In this lesson, two main characters, Payals and Payal mothers. What was an Auli doing in a house? You ask. Well, Payal's house was home to all kinds of creature, mainly abandoned animals. People brought lost dogs, injured cats, and baby birds that had fallen out of their cage. To Payal's mother, it was not that they had a large farm or even a large house. It is just that everyone knew that Payal's mom had a big heart. But even in a household used to such unexpected visitors, Auli's advent had been memorable. One day Shifali Didi had just turned up one day carrying a cotton box. Cartoon. When Payal's mother opened the cotton, there were a smallest of outlets sitting in one corner. A small ball of brown and grey Payal's mother picked her up gently and placed her in her lap, talking to her just as she would to the dogs. She had never handled owls before, so she was very careful not to get pecked. When the owl got used to her and seemed relaxed enough, Payal's mother placed her inside a cage. There were always empty cages in Payal's house. Just in case a bird dropped in, the baby owl climbed on the rod and settled herself comfortably. Mom, owl is gone. Where could she have gone, Payal? She is right. They're sleeping in her cage. Little while ago. But she is not there now. And mom, door to the garden is open. Yes, Owlie is missing. There is no sign of Owlie. Oh, see here. She is sitting here. Mother and Payal decided name is Owl. Mom, what shall we call her? Payal, better you choose a name. How about Owlie? That's a nice name. Owlie. Very good, Payal. Now, what is feed an owl? Owls are hunters. They eats rats and snakes and frogs. We are all vegetarian, even the dogs also. At least for Owlie, let's buy meat. What do you do, my dear? Go buy half a kilogram of minced meat to house. Put the meat before Owlie. Let us see. Oh, Owlie is biting me. She went over. I'm feeding, she is biting me. Mom, you have killed her. Owlie. Mom, you have killed her. No, I didn't kill. Oh, what I have done to the poor little bird Owlie. I think the Owlie died. Now what should we do, Mom? Now we have to bury to poor Owlie. The living that owl died, the decided to bury owl. Mom, see, Owly has opened one eye. Then the other eye, she got onto her feet and quietly climbed the perch. This is Owly way of defending herself against danger. Oh, Owly is biting me. See, when I'm feeding, she is biting me. This means let's off bitten fingers for our mom. Owly. Owly was a spotted outlet. She had the typical grey brown coat, heavily spotted with white. The pale face, yellow eyes, and the white neckband, which looked like a ribbon. Good. That it's your duty to clean the cage every day, fill the water bowl, feed the owl, and take care. Okay? Isn't it, children? Mom, I will look after Owly. I will clean the cage every day. I will fill the water bowl. Once Owly began to eat by herself, I will feed her. I will cover the cage during days. Owls or night bird. So they sleep during the days. At night they were active. They decided to shift the owl to the library. This is not right place for owls. So what we'll do? Let's shift owl's cage to the library. It's a lovely room with two room doors, one which leads to the rest of the house and the other that open into the garden. Isn't clear, Payal? The bookshelves also had lots of little knickknacks, pretty things, but display her along with the books. So there were beautiful pieces of pottery, dolls from wherever we have traveled, wooden and clay animals and birds from all around the world. That's good, but when we move out to the library, strict rules should be followed for everyone in the house. First of all, the two doors were never to be left open, not at night, not in the day. Okay? Every night I leave the gauge open, but a plate of minced meat on top of the gauge, so that when Owly flew out of the gauge, she would also learn to find a food. Payal, please shut the gauge door every morning, otherwise she will fly away. Be careful. Mom, how to goes to that room so I'm not shut the gauge door even the during day. Mom, the gauge is empty and there was no sign up. Only onto the door to the garden is open. Every day Owly is see fast and sleep on her perch. Who left the garden door open? How will we find Owly now? Don't panic, my dear Payal. She must somewhere around. Come on, shut the garden door and look in every corner of the room, behind the doors, on top of the tall bookshelves, in every nook and granny. Don't worry, Payal. No, where Owly is there? I wanted to only fly away. Not so soon. She was still so small. How how would she hunt for her food? What if a kite or eagle scoop down at her? Well, now Owly has gone. We may as well leave the doors open and air the room. Wipe your tears, Payal. I sincerely believe that my Owly will come back if we open doors to the room. Why don't you find yourself a good books to read? Reading a book is the only way you will cheer up. I know about you very well. From your young age used to read the book. Isn't it okay, mom? I remember you always read books whenever you sad. My dear, you feel sad, I know. Why don't you read a book? Mom, she's back. She's opening one eye, pretending to a curio. Yes, Owly is back, naughty Curio. I am so happy to see Curio Owly again. So hereafter, Owly don't go anywhere to be in the cage itself. That only safe for you. Then only we can happy. Dear children, I hope all of you understood the lesson very well. What we learned from this lesson? We have to show love and care all living beings, birds, animals, insect at any cost, never harm and disturbance. We are your friends. Thank you, children.